Hi, I'm Nipun Jain.
என் பேர் விஸ்வநாத்.
Hi, my name is Alan.
Hi, my name is Krishnant Prabhu.
Hi, I'm Lloyd.
Hi, my name is Sean.
And I'm a twisted bachelor.
நான் கோல்பம் பிரம்மச்சாரி படபரை.
I'm a twisted bachelor.
I'm a twisted bachelor.
Twisted Bachelor.
Because I want to prove myself to everybody else.
To prove that I can do something more than others can.
Because I'm desperate to win some money. I won't lose my job anymore.
I want to prove myself.
Because I want to earn a lot of money.
It's all about the money. Competition will come from, I say, Kitta when he's drunk, or Sean when he's in total form, that is his. And then Moy, I guess he's always in form.
I don't think none of them is a competitor.
They're good, but not as good as me.
I think everyone will be a tough competitor. About Sean, I think he will not be tough as he pretends to be.
Good competition, good friends, and have lots of fun in the show.
I think my competitors are all jackasses, but I think Alan's going to give me a really tough time. Let's see who wins.
So my strongest competitor here is Alan, because both of us have the highest hope of dying as twisted bachelors.
It's Alan. I would say because of his strength, and he's got brains, but not as much as mine.
Well, I just came to know that other people have thought of me as being the toughest competitor that they can have. Well, it's an honor in one way, and another way I know that I'll be the first person to be voted out, and so I'll try my best not to lose any of the tasks so that I can be in the game till the end.
Yes, absolutely. I'm always there to win.
I'm here to make a point that I can be as twisted as anyone can be.
I'm here to win less fun, so it's going to be both.
Well, I'll say it's a bit of both, where it's the money that's driving me.
I'm definitely here to win and to show the entire world that I'm not the black sheep of the family.
Here to win, man. Here to, but don't tell anyone.
Yeah, bachelor life has been fun so far. It has been the greatest learning experience, teaching everything about life which one needs to learn. It's been the most important phase as of now.
Bachelor is the best part of the life. You can enjoy, you can do anything, booze, you can drink, you can have fun, that's what.
It sucks being single, man. It sucks, but when you have gay partners like Alan to hang out with every day, every Saturday night, it's amazing, man. Bachelor life rock.
I'm a bee. One flower to another flower to another flower to another flower.
I've enjoyed my bachelorhood till now, and I want to get settled down soon. Well, my plan would be to be myself and not get noticed earlier in the show, and try and eliminate all the competitors as possible.
The best strategy is to perform, try to go through to the end of the show and play a little bit of mind games.
I would like to keep a low profile in the game so that my competitors think that I'm not that capable enough. They might even ignore me. But I will take that to my advantage.
My strategy for this game would be being as funny that I can be trying to gain everyone's friendship and then suddenly backstab them and come to the top.
I'm going to do my tasks up to my fullest and let my actions talk.
Strategies, I don't think so there should be any. As the game unfolds, whatever comes across, a strategy or a plan of action will come along. So there's nothing concrete.
This reality show is going to be both fun plus tough because it's new to me and I don't know how is it going to be. So let's see, let's watch it.
Okay, what I'm expecting from the show? Nothing, man. The joblessness of the weekends should somehow culminate into something good.
Well, knowing the fact that all the other people around me are very close friends and they're really fun, there's going to be a party making this show, and all I know that we are twisted, and you people watching, you bachelors watching, there are more twisted than us because you're spending a part of your life watching this show. Thank you.
What do I expect from the show? Maybe it will propel my career and maybe I could enter into the film industry.
Well, I'm expecting to have a lot of fun, and weekends would not be boring after this, and I think I will be able to win because people like Sean will be competing.
I'm confident But no, it can't be an easy ride. It's Maskey who's planning all the tasks. That crooked, evil mind of his. I really don't think it will be an easy ride. Yeah.
Since the name of this show is Twisted Bachelor, I think I know what to expect. A lot of perversion, nudity and gay stuff.
So the director of this show is one really fucked up character, okay, so I don't know what to expect. But I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Let's see who wins.
You're right. Let's see who wins. But I promise you, it's not gonna be easy.
Oh,